Say
So
again.
do they not have a safety net at the end of the runway here?
Well, no.
They have it at quite a few of the time.
So it's for some of the fast jets and carrier aircraft. We're going to roll. We'll wind up in a minute. She will wind up in a minute.
It's an aeroplane actually.
There we go. Hang on to your hats.
So you're going to runway. We're going now.
Rolling. Got a bit of acceleration then. That was a kick in the back, that was for acceleration. Right, went
That
off.
was nice.
We're nearly airborne already. Right, what an acceleration.
Where's the tower?
The other side. Wrong, yeah, got airborne.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt signs are on, and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and if you do need to leave your seat, keep the aisle clear to allow others to pass by. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, all are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time, including e-cigarettes. Please ensure there are no more than 2 people queuing at the toilets to avoid congestion. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, public health authorities recommend frequent hand washing with soap and water, that you cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing using a tissue or a flexed elbow, and avoid touching your face. We apply a fine mist of disinfectant to all surfaces within the aircraft cabin. In case of a spillage, please advise a member of crew can provide cleaning wipes, and we ask you not to use your own. We'll shortly be commencing our bistro service for today's meal deals. Simply choose a meze snack box, drink and a snack for just £7.50. We have a selection of soft drinks